Sometimes you come across situations where you know before and after values and would like to describe the change as a percent. The difference in those numbers takes the place of the part in a traditional percentage problem. The original number takes the place of the base. And let's look at a couple of examples. 2 weeks ago, the price of gas was about $2.92 per gallon. Today, it is $3.07 per gallon. What is the percent increase in the price of gas? So we have a before and after number. We're looking for a percent increase. Both percent increase and decrease problems are worked the same. We are looking for the rate. We just covered in the previous slide that the part is replaced with the difference between the two numbers, and the base is the original number. Let's see if we can identify those values from this problem. The part is that difference. In this particular problem, it's the amount of increase. So we will take the two prices, subtract them, some people use the word change rather than difference, and result in 15 cents for the particulars of this problem. The base is the original amount, and if you look closely, it talks about 2 weeks ago. That would be the original price and will act as the base in this problem. To solve for the rate, we will take the part divided by base, which in this case is the difference divided by the original, resulting in a final answer of a 5% increase. In this next problem, last week a business had 447 paying customers. This week they had 521. What is the percent increase in the number of paying customers? The question is asking percent increase. We're looking for the rate. Using our formula circle here, we need to find the part and the base. The part is the amount of increase, and that's found by taking the difference or the change of the two values given. Subtracting, we have a difference of 74. The base is the original number, and in the problem, from the context clues, it tells us last week, which is our original amount, they had 447 paying customers. So we have our base. To solve for the rate, we will take part divided by base. In the application here for percent increase, that would be difference divided by original, 74 divided by 447, with a final answer of 16.6%. As I said, percent decrease problems are worked the same, so hopefully this problem won't be any different than the previous two. Last year, 235 registered voters participated in the local election. This year, 210 did. What is the percent decrease in the number of voters? They're asking us for percent decrease. In other words, we're looking for the rate. To solve for the rate, we need to identify the part and the base. The part being the difference, and in this case, the amount of decrease. We'll take the two values given, last year and this year, subtract to give us 25, and the base then is the original number. In the problem, last year is the original amount of 235, so that will be our base quantity. And to solve for rate, we will take part divided by base, difference divided by original, which results in 10.6% for the percent decrease in voters.